Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Awesome Teaching. I'm kidding. We're so wrong. Anyway, good luck on this. Today we're going to talk about converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, which is the opposite of what you did in the last video. Remember, in the last video we started with a mixed number, we turned it into an improper fraction. We're going to do the opposite today. So how are we going to do that? Well, before we get started, you're going to need this graphic organizer again. It's graphic organizer number 1. It's the back side. You're looking on the bottom. Okay, so if you don't know, it's this part right here. The last video was just this part up here. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and keep moving. Okay? Your objective for the day. As a student, you should be able to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers without any issues. Okay, so what is an improper fraction? Remember, an improper fraction is a fraction that has a bigger numerator than a denominator. So the top number is bigger than the smaller number. So how are we going to do this? Well, step number 1, you need to write this down. You're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2, you're going to put the remainder over the denominator. Oops, go back. And that's it. So here we go. I'm going to show you. 12 over 5, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to divide the numerator. The numerator is the big one. It doesn't matter. It's the top one. That number, the number that is the numerator, goes inside the box. You're going to go ahead and divide by 5. 5 goes into 12 how many times? Well, it goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. We subtract and we're going to get 2. Now, this is not like decimals, okay? Remember I said there's no remainder. Well, right, there's no remainder, but this time because we're dealing with fractions, we're going to make it into a fraction. So this 2 becomes the numerator, okay? And it's going to come over here. We're going to look at it. The numerator, so that comes up here. And the 5 is our original denominator. It's going to come back down here, and it's 5. Our answer is 2 2/5. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. 2 2/5. That's our answer. We're going to go show you 3 more. Here we go. Example number 1, 14 over 5. Remember, all you do is divide. The top number goes inside the box. So we're going to go ahead and draw our box, put the top number in it. 5 goes into 14 how many times? Well, it goes in 2 times. So you're going to put the 2 over there. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, you're going to get 4. Okay? You should have, the answer is then 2. The 4 becomes the numerator. The 5 is your denominator, just like it was in the beginning. Here we go. Now you can check yourself. How do you check yourself? Very easily. Very easily. You just do what you did in the last video. Take your 5, multiply it by 2, and add 4. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14 over 5. Hey, we're good. Good to go. Next one, 23 over 9. 23 over 9. How many times does 9 go into 23? Well, twice. 2 times 9 is 18. You subtract, you get 5. That's our leftover. That's our numerator. So we have 2 and 5 over 9. Ladies and gentlemen, that's your answer. Last one, 33 divided by 3. I really like this one. 33 divided by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, we get 0. Hey, we have something to bring down. 3. How many times 3 go into 33? Or sorry, 3 go into 3. 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We subtract, we get... Okay, 3 minus 3 was 0. There's nothing left over. There's no numerator. We don't write this. When there's 0, that's not a numerator. Our answer is just simply 11. That's all it is. That one's 11. That one's there to trick you. All right. Go ahead and grab a whiteboard. You're going to do these 6 on your whiteboard by yourself really quickly. Do it. Pause this video. In just a second, I'm going to go over them. So pause it. Check them out. Pause it. I said pause it. Pause it, man. Pause it. All right. I'm back. I'm going to give you the answer. If you did not get them correct, you need to simply come back, see Mr. Williams. We'll figure out what you did wrong. Okay? First one. We need to go back. Our first one should have been 1 2/5. Okay? 1 2/5. Next one, 2 1/4. Next one is 1 2/3. This one over here is 1 6/7. You should have had 4 1/2 over here. And this one over here, you should have had 1 8/9. All right, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck on that. If you didn't get them right, talk to me, man. Come on, I'll help you. All right, last one, exit ticket. You notice there's nothing here? It's because I'm going to tell you which ones they are. This time, this exit ticket I want you to do on a sticky note. So go ahead and grab a sticky note from the bookshelf. If there's not one over there, see Mr. Williams. He's got a ton of them. They're laying all over the place. Okay? Number 1, the one I want you to do, I want you to do 37 over 6. And number 2, I want you to do 47 over 5. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Show me those 2. Make sure you got them done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, under 5 minutes. Hope you got it figured out. Give me the sticky note when you're done. I'm out. See you.